Oh, oh, oh. These pictures are more on the version 1 of the album. It has 4 different versions. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, there's Lisa. And oh my god, sorry, I'm just so a Lisa fan. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, this is just so real. Ta-da! Oh my god. This is just overload. And I got Lisa! Oh my gosh. Sorry. Fangirling. Oh, and Jisoo. Okay. I'm a Jisoo fan as well. Oh, this is just so... Oh my gosh. I just feel good. Okay. There's a lot more. Sorry. What's this? Should I open this? Okay. So there's like okay, blah 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 blah. Alright, got it. And this is the title of the songs included in the album. I like that. Ice Cream with Selena Gomez, Pretty Savage, But You Wanna with Cardi B, Classic Girls, which is the, what do you call that? Title of it. I don't know. Crazy of You. update me? You never know. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, okay. It's in Korean. Wait. No, it's really in Korean. This or just the English. It's not a version. It's not an English version. It's the original lyrics of the song. You never know. You never know. I'm not a singer, so don't ask me to sing, guys. Oh my god, I'm just so happy with this. With this Lisu. And with this Jenisa. I just picked the right version. But I have a few more versions soon. I just couldn't open all the versions as of the moment. Because I still don't have the other 3 versions. It's on the way. Am I doing it right? Oh, this one is here. Lettered. Got this one. You guys excited? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay. Wait, I think I haven't checked the back side of this. Oh, there's no name. Okay. It's Jenny. It's Jisoo. Okay, and there's Jisoo. There's Jenny. And there's Lisa. Jenny. Lisa. And there's our Rosette. Alright. Sorry, I'm so biased, so I'll be putting Lisa in front because I am a Lisa stan, but I love all of them. Like the 4 of them, it's 4 or nothing. I just love this. I just so love this, and I just so love this. Oh my gosh. Just can't. Okay, I guess we're done. And there's nothing more. Yeah. Some more. Okay. And that's all for our unboxing for the Blackpink the album version 4. Alright, thanks guys for watching. And this is Kilo RRT signing off. Bye!